In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Slides. Page numbers can be a valuable addition to any presentation, providing clarity, organization, and a professional touch for both you and your audience. Whether you're preparing a short slideshow or a lengthy presentation, including page numbers makes it easier to reference specific slides and keeps your content structured. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in the Google Slides URL, or simply search for Google Slides using your preferred search engine. Once the homepage loads, if you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt asking you to log in. Use your Google account credentials to sign in and gain access to your presentations. This step is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to edit or create slides. Signing in also ensures that your work is saved automatically in your Google Drive, giving you easy access from any device. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have a few options. You can either click on a blank presentation to start from scratch or select one of the many pre-existing templates that suit your style and project requirements. Templates can be a great way to save time and get design ideas, but starting blank gives you complete flexibility. Now that your presentation is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on the Insert tab, typically the fourth option from the left. Clicking Insert will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various tools and features that Google Slides offers for enhancing your presentation. From this menu, look for the option labeled Slide Numbers. Selecting it opens a dialog box with several options. Here, you can choose to apply page numbers to all slides or just select slides depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Apply or OK to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully added page numbers to your Google Slides presentation. This small but powerful addition helps your slides stay organized and makes it easier for your audience to follow along, especially in longer presentations. Page numbers are just one of the many tools in Google Slides that can elevate your work, making it more professional, structured, and user-friendly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adding page numbers is a simple step that can make a big difference in presentation flow and clarity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy presenting!